Found this in the petrol station. Oh, look at this kitted out. Elevated. Look at that trailer. A woolly bear. Catering, 10. And what have we got here? Looks like a Merc, but I'm not sure. Look at that back box. That is absolutely stealth. And it is a stealth. Absolutely supreme. And it's a four-wheel drive Merc. I thought it was. Nice front fender. Wow. Going to ask what I'm doing. That is nice. It's finished in a charcoal grey metallic. It's got rooftop. Let's have a look at that. Front runner. It's a front runner roof rack. All the contraption that goes with it. Look at that device on the back. That storage box. That is nice. That is very nice. And we've got a woolly bridge. 23.0. Little battery bike. And if I'm not mistaken, the tyres, the wheel size on the trailer match that of the truck itself, which is a Merc, four-wheel drive. It's got a rooftop box as well. Well, let's walk through. Rooftop box, roof ladder. Look at that. That is nice. This is quite unique. I've never seen one. Here we are. We've got that small sleeping accommodation in the back, and the windows have been accommodated with sort of a bubble type window pack. Very, very exclusive. And to my left, a little mini caravan. Explorer caravan. Some huge, whatever it is, it's a Raptor. And that is nice also. Extended wheels, nice set of alloys on it to push out the wheels, the wide wheels. Air shocks. Oh, it's got a Maharaja light as well, which is rather splendid. Two-way radio, probably CB. And we've got the same here. A very nice brace of desert-worthy vehicles. This is a nice front bumper on this Merc as well. Very nice. Oh wow, look at that sat-nav holding bay, which is there. PowerPoint in. Got some venting there, probably for the fridge. And that nice. We even got some sand. This is good. Cooking outfit. I never saw this. Gas, spare gas cylinder. Ah, look at this. To keep it up, we've got, instead of it raises the hitch point instead of dropping it. That's a nice little touch. I've not come across that before. Lovely coupling on there as well. Better be a bit careful here. They carry guns. That is a nice sleep box as well. Well put together, very thought out. And although not seen much of these, that is unusual also. And look what I spy over the far left of the Shell station.